So for question 14 and 12, they're asking to determine whether the straight line is parallel or perpendicular. Some of the students calculate a lot, but didn't give me the final conclusion. So they didn't answer the questions directly. So first of all, if they're parallel, which means that the ML1 should be equal to ML2. But if they are perpendicular, which means that the ML1 times ML2 is going to be equal to -1. So which means that we just consider about the slope of these two straight line equation. So for question 12, we have the L1 is equal to y equal to 3 over 2x plus 4. So you can see from here this is y equal to mx plus c, so that the slope ML1 is equal to 3 over 2. And then for L2, this is a general form. We have 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. So first of all, we change to y equal to mx plus c. So again, I have this 2x, don't want it, and throw it to the right becomes negative. This -7 go to the right becomes positive. So now I have -2x plus 7. Then I don't want the 3, so I divide by the whole thing by 3. Then I have the y is equal to -2 over 3x plus 7 over 3. So now the -2 over 3 is going to be our slope of ML2 is equal to -2 over 3. Then we consider about the ML1 times ML2. That's going to giving you 3 over 2 times -2 over 3. So this 2 and 2 cancel out, this 3 and 3 cancel out. So we're left just equal to -1. So after you get this relationship, so that I can write that the L1 is perpendicular to L2. So similarly, we're going to do 14 as well. So for question 14, we have the L1 is x equal to 3y minus 8. It seems like the y equal to mx plus c format, but actually it's x be the subject, but we want the y be the subject, isn't it? So now I have this x minus 8 equal to 3y. I just throw the 8 to the left hand side, make y be the subject. And now I just change the left and right, so 3y equal to x minus 8. I don't want the 3 here, so I divide it, so x minus 8 divided by 3. Then I have y is equal to 1 over 3x minus 8 over 3. So that the slope ML1 is equal to the third, because 1 over 3 is the number in front of the x. And now I have the L2 is going to be the general form 6x plus 2y minus 21 equal to 0. Again, I change to becomes the y equal to mx plus c, so -6x plus 21. I don't want the 6x, throw it to the right becomes negative. I don't want the -21, throw it to the right becomes positive. And I don't want this 2, so I divide the whole thing by 2. So -6x plus 21 divided by 2. Then I separate the fraction. So y is equal to -6 over 2x plus 21 divided by 2. Then now this part can be simplified. So I have y is equal to -3x plus 21 over 2. So -3 is going to be the slope of ML2. So the slope ML2 is equal to -3. Then we can consider about L1, the slope of L1. So ML1 times ML2 is equal to 1 over 3. So this 1 over 3 is ML1, -3 is ML2. So 1 over 3 times 1 over 3 times -3 is giving you -1. So that we can say L1 is perpendicular to L2.